Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so first things first, you might notice that the background is a little different. I was kind of struggling for a minute because it was getting really dark in my room and I don't have one of those ring lights yet. I'm gonna get one, but I don't have one yet, and so I was kind of struggling with the light situation. It's been kind of really cloudy and rainy a lot lately, and I rely on window light, but the way my vanity faces, the window comes at me sideways. So I wanted to change it up and face the window so I could have like a lot better lighting, but then you got my ugly closet in the background that doesn't have any kind of doors to it, so I covered that up for you. You're welcome. And now hopefully the lighting in my videos is gonna be like a little bit better, hopefully, I don't know. And also I got my little flowers here in the back. I got these for Mother's Day and they're kind of dying already. I'm really bad at flowers. I love everything about flowers. I think they're so awesome to have in the house. They're gorgeous, they smell good, and I just like looking at them, but I do not have a green thumb whatsoever, and this is dying, and I'm so sad because it's like the petals are falling all over my table, and it's sad because it's pretty. And I also tried to get my other plants in the background, but it just didn't look right shoving them all into one little corner. I'm still working on the aesthetic a little bit, so be patient. Let me play around with it a little bit. I'll see what I can do for you. And also I want to talk about my hair. I'm so ashamed of this hair. I really wanted to have like really wavy curls for this look, but my hair just was not having it today. It wouldn't curl right. It just looked like a giant nest on my shoulders. It was not cute for anybody. So this bun is also a you're welcome to you, but I'm mad about it because from the front I feel like I look like a little boy, and when I turn to the side you're like, okay, I can see where she's going with that, but when I look directly at you I'm suddenly somebody totally different. So I'm sorry about all of this. Okay, moving on. I feel like it's taken me forever to get to the point today. So in today's video I wanted to do kind of like a tropical vibe. I don't know, I've just been like seeing that everywhere lately and I've been really inspired by it. I sat down and I was like, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but then it hit me that I wanted to do this kind of look because I've just been seeing it everywhere, and there's just like a lot of tropical vibes on Instagram right now. So I was like, yes, I am feeling this today. This is the look that needs to be done today. Like, this is it. So I used the Colourpop Yes Please palette because it has so many summer vibes, and I did use one L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow. So if you want to see how I got this tropical like summer vibes look, just keep watching.
So I'm going to start by priming my eyelids with my Maybelline Master Conceal, but today I'm not going to set it down with a powder. I was a little hesitant to try this out. I was afraid that if I didn't set the concealer that my eyeshadow wouldn't blend as well, but it actually blends really well still, and the colors pop a lot more. So I'm just going to take this orange shade in the Colourpop Yes Please palette, and I'm going to blend it out all over above my crease. Then I'm going to take this yellow shade and blend it above the orange shade. Normally I would start at the top and blend down, but I really wanted the yellow to pop a little more than usual. Then I'm going to take this dark brown and I'm going to slowly build this up. I'm going to start by packing it onto my outer corner, and I'm going to work it into my V and then slowly work it into the crease from there. I'm not done with the eye yet, but just to get my bearings, I'm going to take a makeup wipe and clean up the outer edge. And I'm going to go back into the orange shade one more time, and I'm just going to blend out any harsh edges that came with the dark brown. Then I'm going to take this L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow in Golden Emerald. I'm going to spray it with some setting spray, and I'm going to start packing it on and blending it in. And then I'm going to take my finger and start packing it on in between the brown and the green just to create a small little gradient. And then taking the same brush that I took the dark brown on with no extra product on it, I'm just going to go in and fluff that out. And I'm going to highlight my brow bone with the Wetnwild Golden Flower Crown highlight. And moving it onto my face, I'm not going to prime today, but I already moisturized And I'm going to take my L'Oreal Pro Glow. This is one of my staple foundations. I love this foundation so much. I'm going to conceal and highlight with my Maybelline Fit Me and my Wetnwild highlighting and concealing pen. I mix these two because my Fit Me dries kind of fast and my Wetnwild one is a little more on the wet side of a concealer, and I think these two mixed together are just absolutely perfect. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Under Eye Setting Powder, and I'm going to set down all the places that I put my concealer. I really love this powder because it always makes everything look really smooth and pretty, and it does a really good job at highlighting the under eye. Go in with my Milani Illuminating Transparent Powder, and I'm going to set down the rest of my face. I think this is really pretty to use all over the face because it gives like the most softest, subtle, natural glow. Using my Butter Bronzer, I'm going to take a kind of a smaller brush and contour first, and then I'm going to go back in with like a fluffy brush and bronze. Then I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me blush in Coral, and it took me a minute to build this up, but once I did, it was really, really pretty. I'm going to take Golden Flower Crown again for my highlight. Going back to finish up my eyes, I'm going to take that brown again and stamp it really close, and then I'm going to go back in with the orange shade and kind of blend that out underneath. I'm going to take that yellow one more time and blend that out underneath the orange. And then I'm going to take my Kokie Velvet Smooth Eyeliner in bright blue, and I'm going to put that in my waterline. I added my Flower Beauty Ultimate Zoom In Mascara to my lower lashes, and then I went into the Golden Flower Crown highlight again for my inner corner highlight. I set everything down with my Catrice Prime and Fine spray, and for the lips, I lined and filled in with my Colourpop Lippy Pencil in Aquarius. And I went over that with my Maybelline Fit Me lipstick in Clay Crush, one of my favorites. And I still felt like the lips needed a little more something, so I went in with the Colourpop x Loreal Los Angeles collaboration, the Ultra Glossy Lip in Wham.
Okay guys, that is it for this video. That is everything that I have for you today. I really hope that you enjoyed this look. I was super excited about it. I've just been feeling the tropical lately, so I really hope that you like it. If you did like it, please leave me a comment down below and let me know, and also hit the thumbs up button. That really helps me out. So again, thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel before you leave, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Wear it if you have already eaten it.
He's gonna come pick me up. Let me go pee. I really have to pee. I might even have to poop a little.